How to send money from USA to India using Remitly. Now, assuming that your Remitly account is already a USA-based account and now you want to send money to India. First, make sure to launch the Remitly app, then tap on the send option from the bottom of the screen. Select new contact if you're trying to send to a new contact, and in the search tab, simply search for India. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do that. Once done, on the next page, you can see a couple of options. Just wait until the page has loaded up. Select the amount of USD that you'd like to send to that particular country, which in this case would be India. Select a payment method like your debit card, bank account, or credit card, however you might want to send it, then tap on the continue option. In the next tab, you can select how you want to get the money to be delivered to their account, because in India there is UPI available, bank deposit available, or cash pickup available. So you can also just select bank deposit and deposit the money to the recipient's bank account, already assuming that you have their bank account details. Select the recipient's bank account from here, or you can use a search bar, enter the account number, follow up with a couple of other details, and once done, you'll be able to send money from USA to India using Remitly. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.